Hey friends, this is our tutorial for our Wednesday 5 o'clock class, Introduction to Ballet and Tap. This is Angry Little Swans. Some of the students that you see are wearing costumes. They will be participating in the ballet portion of our recital. Students that do not have the costume is either because they're new, making up the class today, or have missed a substantial amount of classes, and we look forward to seeing them in the December recital. Music information will be available in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you do not miss any of our tutorial dance classes. Thank you. Here we go. Angry Little Swans. First position, plie and stretch. First position, plie and stretch. 3, stretch, 4. Rock the baby, and 1, 2, 3. Push away, look away, look away, look away. Plie, all the way nice and deep. 4, 3, 2 more, 2 more. Plie, and count down. 3, 4, down. 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Bourrée, right arm. Now the left arm. Bourrée, turn to the curtain. 2, 3, 4. Open, jump out. Échappé, close first position. Échappé, second. And first. 2 more. Here we go. Last 2. And last 1. PKs, here we go. PK, 2, 3, 4. PK, 2, 3, 4. And pose. And thank you. Say bye.